Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing sausage tortellini soup using our limited edition 3-quart wok. On our preheated wok, we're going to add 1 pack of chopped sausages and we're going to cook on medium heat. In the meantime, we're going to use our food processor to cut our onion using cone number 3. For our 3 garlic cloves, we're going to be using cone number 2. For our carrot, we're using cone number 5. Now we're just going to add our onion and garlic to the pan. Keep the lid ajar and we're going to cook for a few minutes. And then we'll add our 250 grams of tortellini pasta. Don't forget to subscribe for more cooking videos and also add us on Facebook at Neolife Leads. Now it's time to add some Italian herbs and also our double cream. You can use extra thick if you'd like. We're also going to add some bouillon, but you can use any low sodium stock that you would prefer. And we're going to add 3/4 cups of hot water. Put the lid on and we're going to cook for an additional 7 minutes. We're going to add our carrots and also half a bag of spinach. For a full list of the ingredients and the full recipe, please check the description below. We're also going to add some salt and some pepper. Put the lid on and we're going to cook for another 3 minutes. And we're done. Look at how great that looks. Now it's time to serve. We'll use the wrap that comes with our limited edition 3-quart and also some Parmesan cheese and basil on top. To get your limited edition 3-quart wok, leave a comment down below or give us a message.